G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, the Winton area. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. Down each side here got a bars of potch. Basically the opal's almost crystal-like in its appearance. In the centre area here it's got some nice flashes, although it's hard to pick them up. I think what needs to be done is probably the face be ground down a little bit. I think the colour is actually further down in the stone, or the reflections of the colour are further down in the stone. There's nothing up in this end, I don't think. And that's basically what you're looking at, is this area here is what it's priced on. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.